Okay, Vinny, we're gonna go upstairs and see something surprising, okay? Ah! He's like, never mind, I'm going upstairs. Too much action in this house! Hey guys, my name is Marlene McCohen and welcome to my channel, and you better subscribe and hit that notification bell because this is gonna be a really exciting day, let me tell you. So for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. We are gonna have such a special video today. I don't even know how I came up with it. By the way, this is my co-star, Vinny. Vinny has a lot to say. Vinny is gonna have a very big day today and he doesn't know about it, and stay tuned guys because this is gonna be one of the best pet reaction videos you've ever seen. Unless it's a dud. If it's a dud, then I don't know. Stay tuned and let's find out. So, before I go on, of course I want to tell you guys two things. One, don't forget to let me know your favorite part of this video in the comments below. That's my favorite thing. Because when you slave away on videos, I want to know what you liked. And two, how about I do some shout outs? And I know this is gonna feel weird for those of you getting it, but hi Patrick Williams, hi Janice, aka Mark and Mindy, hi Ava M, and hi Haley Quinn. Oh yeah, and Ted Levy, loving your emails by the way. So guess what's happening today guys? I can't even believe it. I don't know why I didn't think of this before. Vinny doesn't even know. Vinny, do you know what's happening today? What? Vinny, I'm gonna tell you in front of everybody, this is gonna be a great pet reaction video. Do you wanna guess what it is? Because you're the star of it. Okay. Vinny is getting a girlfriend today. How do you feel about that, Vinny? Isn't that exciting? No? So here's the thing. Do you guys remember Kevin? Of course you remember Kevin. Kevin is bringing over his bird, Ruby, today. And Ruby's going to meet Vinny. Ruby's gonna meet Vinny. Really? Yeah, it's happening. And she's very beautiful. Yes. So here's the thing. I don't know how he's gonna react. Maybe he's been praying for Ruby. I have no idea. This bird has never seen another bird like him before, right? Right? Yeah. What are you gonna tell Ruby when you see her? I don't know about that. Try again. Nice. How about you say, you're pretty, Ruby? That's not her. I think they will take... It's not her. When it's her, you'll know, because Kevin's gonna come in a very big, loud car. Actually, a small but loud car. So are you ready, Vinny? Okay. Okay, so here we go. Well, you come down. Why am I leaving you in here? I found him up here. You're gonna come down with mommy, and then when Ruby's here, I'm gonna tell you, and we'll see what happens. Do you want a girlfriend? Sure? Okay. She's not gonna sleep over yet. Okay, you just sit there and maybe Ruby will think you're a big, bad, dangerous stuntman when she arrives and sees you up on the... Anyway guys, let me know what you think is gonna happen. I can't wait. So guys, guess what? So this is Jersey rejecting Kevin now because he picked up Cody.
You want some whipped cream? Do you forgive me? Please don't hate me.
This is a vegan Parrochino, guys, by the way, in case you're wondering.
Jersey, please don't do this to me.
Look at her face. Like, she looks so mad. It's over. You picked up Cody.
I didn't know. I'm sorry.
She's like a statue sometimes.
She's laughing.
You hear her?
Yeah.
Well, she's letting you get up in the feathers, so she's not too mad.
Yes, she's not too mad.
Meanwhile, Cody's like, but why can't anyone play with me? Kevin is forgiven now. Look at that.
She just wants to lean against me. I'll pull my hand away. She just doesn't want to move. She doesn't want to leave.
No. Oh my God, Ruby! Let's show Ruby to Vinny.
Let's go.
Okay. Yay! Ruby's gonna meet Vinny! Are you excited? Yeah! Vinny's gonna get a girlfriend! got a double band in your hair, I see.
Oh, yeah.
Like Pocahontas. Hey, George, look at Kevin's Pocahontas hair. No, Princess Jasmine.
Am I getting bullied?
No.
Are you excited to meet me?
I'm gonna say, Vinny, stand up and sit down again.
Ready? Vinny, are you excited to meet Ruby? Yeah? You're not gonna attack her, are you? Do you promise to be nice? Yeah? Okay. Let's go. You want a kiss from her?
Oh, with her lipstick on.
I don't think she can wear lipstick. Are you ready? Let's go.
Uh-oh.
Jersey.
I'll go set up the cameras. Jersey followed you. Where is she?
Right there.
Jersey! Jersey, come here! Jersey, Kevin's coming to get you. She coming?
Yeah.
Okay. You know, Vinny doesn't want an audience member on his date, but you can come, because you're the best. Okay, we're setting up. We're deciding how things are gonna go. Let's see how white backgrounds look. It's really gonna be like their love affair. Hello, camera! Hello, camera! Hello, camera! Okay, guys, so, Jersey, do you mind? All right. What? Ah, this is so creepy. Guess what, guys? Here we are. We are at the dating game. Yay! I'm here with my host, Jersey. Yay, Jersey! If you're a fan of Jersey, don't forget to order your Jersey merch on the link below, right, Jersey? So we're just setting up. I got all the cameras. Hello, hello, hello. Wow, this is my biggest setup to date. Dun, 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 dun. Who should we bring first?
You wanna let Jersey decide?
Jersey, should we bring Vinny or should we bring Ruby? What should we do, Jersey? Ruby or Vinny? I think we should bring Vinny first and watch his reaction when his new date arrives. Right? Give mommy a kiss. Selfish. Selfish, selfish bird. All right, here's the other thing we're wondering. What do we do with Jersey? Like, you know, you can't be the third wheel. Where shall we put you? Or are you the hostess? We haven't even gotten started yet, and my bird is already having antics. Okay, everybody clap for Jersey. Yay, Jersey! Woo! Yay, Jersey! You have to clap, you have to clap, yay! Wow, this is so much fun, we don't even want to get the birds. Forgot about the dating game.
You're so cute.
Tell me she's not the cutest. All right, I'm gonna go get Vinny.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Vinny, we're gonna go upstairs and see something surprising, okay? Ah! He's like, never mind, I'm going upstairs. Okay, he got it, he's excited. That's Jersey screaming, we left her. Too much action in this house! You coming, George? All right, you got a special audience member seat. Jersey! If you want them to date, you have to create a serene environment, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. Kevin, you bring the box to right outside the door. George, you come up here first. Okay, George, you're the audience member right here. So you're gonna watch it. George is right there. He's our special guest. Very special. He's very special. Okay. Oh my God, guys. Okay, so here's what's happening. I have Vinny go get Ruby.
Okay.
What do you think's gonna happen, George?
I have no idea. I'm thinking about it, but I can't figure it out.
I think he heard her. Find out what this bird is? Okay, hold on.
She might be young for you though. You okay with that?
I see her. What do you think, Vinny? You want to sit down? Okay. Wow, Ruby, you're pretty. Vinny, that's a young, gorgeous bird right there. Bring her a little closer. What do you guys think? Uh-oh, Ruby's doing something. She has left the nest, which has made Vinny come closer to mommy. No, you're a big boy. That's somebody for you. He seems a little shy. Ruby's gonna go potty on there. Did she?
I'm pretty sure.
Does she fake potty? He does. It's like a thing. Mommy's not gonna be mad if you have a girlfriend. All this kissing. Look.
Shaking.
So this is what happens. They want more attention from us. We didn't bring you on this show to be mommy's pansy and daddy's girl over there.
Does she have an attitude?
With other birds, like my macaw and everything, yeah. She'll be the one that initiates it.
You need to come on the show if you're gonna talk. Uh-oh, we have another special guest. George had to come in. Can we see it? Yeah.
Oh.
Lol, knocking stuff over.
What's up, buddy? What do you think? You want me to put a word in? I can say something to her. Just tell me.
Look, she's pretty. Okay, it's time to leave the nest.
It's okay, buddy.
Hi, Ruby. Come here, baby. She's a baby. They're so shy.
I know, I was not expecting this.
Right? Okay, guys, so this is kind of expected, and I think this is, well, it's kind of unexpected in a way that you thought that she'd be aggressive, and I didn't think he'd be aggressive because he's pretty good with my other birds, but if someone does approach, he's just, they're aggressive by nature, these birds, really. But this is kind of evidence so far of how birds would handle a potential mate. Usually they're more interested in you. So let's say I wanted to get Vinny a mate. It may or may not work. Obviously, this is only like 5 minutes so far, right? So after days and days, they might actually really like each other. However, generally, if you have a bird and want to get your bird a mate because you're afraid it's going to be lonely, all you're going to end up is with 2 birds that are obsessed with you that you now have to divide your time between. So that's something to think about. But I think there has been some new action here. Let's sit down. Yeah, what's happening now?
It's like I'm out.
You're okay.
It's okay, buddy.
You're okay.
Oh, she's cute.
She's so cute.
That's her little sass dance.
You have a sass dance? Do you see how she has brown eyes and he has red eyes? Well, Vinny doesn't usually go to George for love, so obviously he's very nervous. Hey, do you want to come to me? She's like, no, this is way weird. What? Vinny, did you hear that? Why are our birds so shy?
Is it because she's so young?
Should we invite Jersey?
It could be that she's very young, like too young.
Oh, do you feel like a dirty old man? Look at her walk. Hey, George, you didn't get the memo to wear pink?
I'm wearing gray. I'm the other part of him.
Oh my God, she's so cute. The other thing to consider here is that our birds could be getting nervous that we're getting another bird just like them. So they want to show us a lot of love. That's not happening. We thought you might want a friend to date. Are Ruby's feathers as silky?
Yeah.
They're the silkiest bird feathers, right?
So soft.
Yeah, so is Vinny's.
Huh? Look at that.
Oh my God, Ruby's about to step up. Put Jersey on your shoulder so she doesn't ruin the mix. Hi, Ruby. Are you about to come to me? No? Okay, I shouldn't have.
No, I think she was interested in Jersey.
Look at her. She's like, what shall I do here? You can come. This is what they do. They come up and kiss us.
Is Ruby like that with all of them? With all your whole family?
No. She'll go up to me mainly, but when my mom walks into the room, she'll climb to the top of the cage. The same thing with my grandma. My dad can pick him up and pet her. Same thing with my brother.
Speaking of which, Kevin, while you're here, we know how aggressive Vinny can be. And I know that Ruby's a baby, but how aggressive can Ruby get?
It's bipolar.
She's bipolar?
Yeah. Right now she's craving attention, probably because she's shy. But usually if I do this at home, she'll kind of just start biting my finger and like bite my nose right here.
Have you ever been bit really hard by her?
Her? No.
Has anyone in the family been?
My brother.
And does she let go when she bites?
Not really.
Not really. So that's the thing I want you guys to know. Like, even with the nicest bird, like Ruby, like she's literally one of the nicest rose-breasteds I've seen. And with a gangsta like Vinny, when they bite, it's like some of the most aggressive bites you will ever feel in your life. They latch on and they don't let go. So even if they're the nicest to you, they could be the meanest to somebody else, and it can be dangerous. Not a bird I recommend with small children around. George knows he's literally been attacked by Vinny multiple times.
Yeah, we know this stage, like in each other's like space, you know. I can't kiss him. I can't try to kiss him. I know you want to sometimes. Yeah, no kissing. Basically, he has his spot, I have my spot. We don't get into each other, like, you know. Just what it is. We have an understanding is what we call it.
One time George said it's me or Vinny, and I said okay. George is still here. Look, she's calling to you. She came all the way over.
It's okay, baby.
Look, she's approaching you. Do you want to approach her? She thinks you're handsome.
No? Okay. Jersey, you want to go see her? She's like, wait, am I seeing doubles?
So you guys like have literally no reaction?
You guys are just duds.
You really gotta step up your dating game, Vinny.
It's like speed dating, but like gone wrong.
Maybe we should put, yeah, let's do this, let's do that. She's so pretty. Wow, you're so light. Can I hold you? Hi, Mama. Hi. It's so nice to meet you. You're beautiful. You got a small little beak and you got a small beak. You're so cute and soft like a baby bird. Look at yourself, how pretty you are. So beautiful. Look, Vinny.
Step up. Hello. Where you
You
going?
wanna step up?
You can't be jealous. Are you jealous? Oh my gosh, she's so jealous. But it's okay. Do you hear how she has a female voice compared to him? She's so jealous. Look at her face.
What? You wanna step up?
I think she's mad.
I think so.
Okay, she looks really sweet, but they're all really, really evil birds. I'm just telling you right now. Just kidding. I honestly never thought that Vinny would be the dangerous one next to Rocky, but they kind of came head to head in a thing over a box, which I posted on my Instagram. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram at Marlene McCohen, go follow me. You'll see daily vids, see Vinny says yes, and you'll never believe what happened. I thought, fine, he's flighted, he's safe, he could fly away from Rocky. No, he just stood his ground. These birds are very, very territorial. So he stood his ground, and Rocky went to attack him and kept going to attack him, and he didn't move. He just got all puffy, and I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, fly away. No, he waited, and then he flew all around Rocky's head, like trying to attack and attack. And I was like very surprised. Like, this bird doesn't care about no dog, no cat, no nothing, no big Rocky. He is gangsta. And then he walks off with his gangsta lean, right, Vinny?
Wait a second. No, he is so scared of dogs, of cats, of any other animals. He cries like a girl sometimes. I know, don't. I mean, you're a gangster. You're a gangster.
He's so mad right now. Oh my God, he's telling George off. Look, guys.
Yeah, I know, but you're
Go
scared
ahead,
of
tell
dogs.
him he's scared of dogs.
He is scared of dogs.
Tell him he's scared of dogs. He's
It's okay, buddy. I know.
You're scared. You're scared right now because you know you made him mad.
Alright, don't put him on me like that. That's messed up.
Vinny,
Stop.
George said you're not a
Stop it.
gangster.
No, I didn't say
He
you're not a
said
gangster.
George said that you're scared of everything and you're basically a pansy.
She's putting him on me like
he's
that. Look at this. Why are you doing
scared?
that?
Look what's gonna happen now.
Why are
you
trying-
tell him.
Are you sicking him on him?
No, I'm just saying. Like, you think this guy's scared of anything? Look what
He's-
Daddy did.
Whenever he gets scared, he cries like a girl.
Did you hear that? Oh, what are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do now? Okay, hold on.
Okay, now he's gonna attack me. Vinny, I love you.
Did, like, she straight up leave?
Bye, Jers.
Bye, we'll see you in the next segment. Okay, George said you're scared of dogs. George is scared? Are you gangsta? He's not
No,
impressed.
whatever.
Do, 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 do.
All right, guys, I think I'm good. I'm gonna get out of here.
You mean you're scared?
No, I'm good. This isn't interesting. Nothing really is happening between them, so I think I'm gonna call.
Are you literally on my channel going, this isn't interesting? You're so... Vinny!
Stop.
Vinny!
Don't even go
He
there.
said you're not
I
interesting!
didn't say that you're not interesting.
Oh
Stop
my God.
it! Don't even put
He
it
said
out
you're
there.
not interesting! You tell him!
I love you.
Look at you trying to control him.
I'm trying to be nice
He's
to
so
him,
mad.
'cause he's gonna
I
get-
dare you to try and leave right now.
Oh, what's up?
What's happening? My God.
Is she interested in him or is it the actual
Something's
camera?
happening here. Are you guys like both interested in the same toy? Ruby, excuse me. Okay guys, so that is the story. Thank you guys so much for watching our dating game. Dun, 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 dun. So Vinny left. He said that she is not the wife that he was looking for.
She's too young.
I think though that she kind of likes him. Maybe she's looking for a father figure. I have no idea. Anyway guys, I love you so much. Thank you for visiting this episode of the introduction dating game. If anything that you've learned from this, I want it to be that birds don't always want to be best friends with a bird of their kind. Now truthfully, for something like this, you'd want to give it a lot more time generally, but most of the time you're gonna end up with two birds that you need to split your time between and hug and kiss, and they're both basically bonded with you. So that's really what happens when you get a second bird, and Vinny's pretty gangsta, so we'll see what happens off camera and I will keep you guys updated. I love you so much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter if anyone actually uses it. I love you guys, and follow Kevin and George on Instagram, both of them. Do you guys even have an Instagram?
What are you talking about? You
I
set
like
my
to keep my
Instagram
stuff
up.
private.